Hello everyone, I am Lamia Sabry. I am a pathology trainee from Egypt, and I am so thrilled today that I am going to share some of our research work with you. So our story began with receiving a specimen from a 29-year-old male who was complaining of abdominal pain, actually severe abdominal pain, and a mass effect in his right abdominal side. Then the abdominal CT came to highly suggest the presence of adrenal malignant neoplasm. On receiving and examining the sample, we noticed that the cut section of the tumor was incredibly highly heterogeneous. And here is the home message of our research work and sharing that is that the proper sampling and the sufficient sampling of these heterogeneous areas is the key to get an accurate diagnosis, because when we examined the sections microscopically, we were surprised by having two populations of cells in this single tumor. Some cells are they look like basophilic cells with acyl-balin pattern, which is characteristic for the pheochromocytoma, and other cells were clear or having pale eosinophilic cytoplasm, and they looked like adrenocortical cells. And this is a characteristic feature of our tumor entity, which is having both populations and mixed together within single tumor. And we couldn't have reached the proper diagnosis without the proper and sufficient sampling. So this is the home message that we want to shed light on. And then we confirmed our findings by getting immunohistochemical staining positive for markers from both sides. I mean, inhibin, calretinin, chromogranin, and also the Ki67 showed high index. And the tumor showed capsular invasion, vascular invasion, massive areas of necrosis, and atypical mitotic figures. So this came to define our case as malignant one. So the final diagnosis was defined as a malignant mixed corticomedullary tumor of the adrenal gland. And I hope that sharing that could be interesting and getting the message to all of you to put and to take this rare tumor entity into your consideration on dealing with adrenal samples.